Every real estate agent has priced homes for sale or learned how to price homes in school. It is an essential skill that you must learn and you should try and master. Many agents, however, never learn the difference between pricing and positioning and how they work together to let you truly market a home. This video is all about helping you learn the difference between them and how to use them as one solid function so that you can truly value a home. First, let's talk about pricing. When we talk about pricing a home, we're focused on an area, which is usually a neighborhood, and sold information. Now, this is the pricing that pretty much every agent has learned at some point. In most cases, they see the take 3 homes and compare up or down based on the same features that your home has. Now, the whole point of pricing is to look at historical data and be able to compare it so that we can find a market value. At Focus First, we don't really adhere to the choose 3 and go up and down method because we prefer a scattergram. On the scattergram, you can very easily see where on the market value trend line you sit, as well as compare with other properties in a very easy and visual manner. This allows us to find a price that is pretty accurate based on historical information. Now, this is where most agents stop. This is the end of pricing. But if you want to do a competitive market analysis, you can't just price based on historical data. You have to look at the competition. And that's where positioning comes in. While pricing is focused on the area and sold information, positioning is focused on the price range as well as active data. Now, this allows us to see through buyers' eyes what other properties someone out there searching to purchase a home might be looking at. We want to make sure that we put ourselves in a positive competitive advantage situation so that when that buyer comes through, we have a chance at selling. Now, Focus First, we like to show this in the scattergram as well. On the scattergram, it's very easy to see where we stack up and see who we win and who we lose against. This allows us to really put ourselves in a position to win and allows us to sell. Positioning is a very powerful step that you should be using in your pricing. Now again, how did we get this price range that we're looking at? We got that from that positioning step and then adjusting to bridges where buyers would be looking from. These two work together to really help you value home in an awesome way. So hopefully this video helps you understand the difference between pricing and positioning and how to incorporate the two to find a true value of a home. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you want to learn more like this and see more videos like this, we release a new video every week, so subscribe to this channel. And if you've never seen these graphs before and want to learn more about Focus First, please visit us at focus1st.com. Thank you, and always remember, price well.